What's going on, guys? Yeah, man, got some new shoes. Got some new shoes for the Ram. Yeah, baby. Ain't nothing as good as some new shoes, right? That's what I'm talking about. My baby look good, right? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I also bought a new truck. So yes, guys, I went out and purchased another vehicle. So now this is going to be my estimate vehicle. Something newer, nicer, more classy. Loving it, man, loving it. And I'm so freaking blessed, I knock on wood every day, man. Hard work, dedication, staying focused. This is what it gets you, man. This stuff just doesn't happen overnight. So a lot of guys that think that, you're going to just put out flyers and the next day, you're going to be there. Yeah, it takes time. And again, guys, keep in mind, I am retired military, 25 and a half years. So this is not my only source of income. I'm just saying that, to be transparent, okay? So take that into consideration. All right, so we're gonna do this is a bi-weekly. It doesn't grow a lot because again, it's not fertilized or watered. And let me put on my ironclad gloves. And guys, I am so accustomed of using gloves, in the military and long sleeves. It just protects you from the sun, man. A lot of guys say, it keeps them hot. I'm used to it. I'm accustomed to it, so it's no problem. All right, so this is my battery operated edger. It's a Husqvarna 325 ILK with the curve shaft blade edger attachment. So it's kind of like a combi system. So what I do is every service visit, we edge the property. Okay, the customer pays for it, so therefore they get it. And again, I don't want to walk away just mowing the property and the edges look like crap, right? That's not impression that's not what we do, period. Don't want to elaborate on that. So the handle that you see me holding is called the Darwin grip, and it enables you to stand straight up and down when you are edging or utilizing a string trimmer. And there's a code and a link to everything that you see in this video in the video description. Okay, so go check it out. I get a certain percentage of it. Sorry about that. So hey, it helps the channel, right? Nobody works for free. Yeah, so I'm gonna be edging the whole property, and sometimes I mow then edge, and sometimes I edge then mow. You know what I mean? And sometimes I use a string trimmer to edge, and sometimes I use a blade edger. Again, guys, it's no real preference. It's just the way I feel at the moment. They both do a doggone excellent job at what I want it to look like at the end. Once I'm finished, right? Yep. And then I'll park a little bit close, so let's get over here. And all my handheld, guys, are battery powered. I've been using it since August, so again, it works good for me. Good. No pulling, no mixed fuel. Man, I've saved a lot of money on mixed fuel. All right. And today I'm going to use the Toro, the Z Master 4000. Man, this is an awesome mower, man. You see that pedal right there on your left? That is the the Green Guard shoe blocker. All right, again, there's a link in the description, guys. You gotta have a chute blocker. All right, let me lock my trailer up. It's all about preventive theft, right? This is a gated community, but again, you don't know, right? So here I went ahead and cut it because you don't need to see me locking my trailer. Alright, so at this point we are going to just get a POV view of mowing the property. So listen to the sounds and enjoy the sights. finish mowing. And come over here and grab my string tree. Let's use the Husqvarna 520 ILX. And that battery right there is a BLI 300 battery. And I can get 6 or 7 properties with this battery. And I have a lot of spare batteries too, so yeah. Alright, so what's going to happen here, guys, is, you know, I'm going to just trim the property. And just walk around and trim stuff that the mower can get to. Make it look nice and neat. And yeah. Alright, so now the trimming is all finished. And we're gonna grab the blower. Now let's go ahead, let's go ahead and grab the battery blower. And with this blower, guys, I get 2 days. 2 days of power. And a review on the blower is coming, guys. I know I keep saying it, but it is coming. Again, you want me to use it for a while and give you a true review. But again, you guys seen blowing before, so just a little bit, and let's cut to what it looks like. And here it is. This is what the property looks like. Nice, beautiful job. And yep, I'll be back in 2 weeks to do it all over again. So make sure you schedule your properties every 2 weeks or every week. Nice crispy edges. All right, let's let me show you. Let me show you my new truck. All right, guys. So guess what we went out and did? What? Is there another one? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Wow. I'm telling you, man, talk about blessed, right? Talk about being blessed. That's going to be my estimate vehicle. You know, it's newer, has all the fancy gadgets, and yeah, it's a little bit bigger too. But you know, I'm gonna hook it up too. But like I said before, guys, hard work, dedication, stay focused. Things like this happens. All right, things like this happen. Again, guys, bless, bless, bless. Thought I'd just share this with you. All right, see you on the next one.